My name is G240. That's short for G24TT 4557998 DWP 403ST.
Takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transport hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Where are we going? It's madness! Where are we going? We just passed the end of the moon. Oh, look out! Fix those engines immediately. You know I can't swim. And neither can you. Come on! What in God's name, please? Oh, go away, beastly thing! Go away! Out of sight! The transmission.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it won't be
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There's someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
the spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. This is suicide! I'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me quick. I can't shake them.
Arthur, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been a honor.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I hope you have enjoyed your flight. Watch out! That's me.
Hey, that's my ship. We got a lot of explaining to do.
On behalf of staff, thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight soon.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.